Brooke's story. Throughout the video, photos are shown of Brooke, her daughter Mackenzie, her mother Dawn, and Mackenzie's foster parent, Marianne.
I was in a relationship that resulted in domestic violence. My daughter was there. Heard it all, saw it all, and I went to jail. After being released, I was back to using drugs. I wanted nothing to do with my family, and I did not want their help. I was so angry with myself and my decisions. This was just the beginning of the heartache. I'll never forget the day and events that led up to the moment my daughter Mackenzie was taken away. I got the phone call that my daughter was placed in foster care. It was a Friday at 5 minutes to 5, and I could not get anyone to answer at the county office. Worried, scared, betrayed, lonely, hurt, broke, frightened is all I felt. Where is my daughter? Who has her? So many questions. Then the first visit came. It had been a week before this date was set. Not allowed to be alone with her. I had to be supervised. I was already in the office waiting for Mackenzie to arrive. I saw her being carried as they approached the door. My daughter was absolutely beautiful. How could I be doing this to her? Why is a stranger bringing her to see her mommy? How is this stranger treating her? Are they feeding her? So many questions again. I stayed in that moment of my first visit for a long time. Each passing visit is what got me through to the next one. Through my road of addiction, I remember Marianne reaching out to me at the end of a visit telling me she believed in me. Why a complete stranger's words mattered so much to me versus my own mother, I did not know. Her words were just the beginning of this journey. They allowed me to open up to my mother, who has done nothing but supported me, encouraged me, and motivated me. Today, we have rebuilt a relationship I never thought was possible. I'm forever grateful for Marianne, who watched over Mackenzie and kept her safe until she was able to be back home with me and my mom. Today, I have my daughter back. My mother has her daughter back. I raised my daughter through God, with pure love and integrity. Today, I live my life through recovery.
Special thanks. I would like to thank God, Dawn Orlando, John and Marianne Orlando, Marianne, Mackenzie Camarillo, Charlie and Dodie Lutok, Stacy Lutok, Michelle Khalil, Tony Reinecke, Jackie Darling, John Lutok, Renee Niblas, Julie Arce, and Vicky Lara. These stories were created in a digital storytelling workshop at the County of San Diego Health and Human Services, Live Well San Diego. We would like to thank them for their support. This product was created by the Capacity Building Center for States under contract number HHSP 2332-0140-0033C. Funded by the Children's Bureau, Administration for Children and Families, U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Logos for the Children's Bureau and the Capacity Building Center for States.